My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Chemistry Topical MCQs. Today, we are looking at Organic Chemistry Part 2. So please follow me. Let's go and start our quiz straight away. In which of the following processes does ethane form a polymer? Polymerization. During the manufacture of sugar, which one of the following processes is used to remove the brown color? Recrystallization. Which of the following properties is not that of paraffin? It is denser than water. Which one of the following hydrocarbons has 90% carbon content? Given that carbon equals to 12, hydrogen equals to 1. C3H4. Which one of the following is not used as fossil fuel? Ethanol. An example of a non-biodegradable substance is polyethylene. Which of the following sets contain natural fibers only? Cotton, wool, and silk. Which one of the following is a synthetic fiber? Nylon. Which one of the following contains multiple bonds? C2H2. Which one of the following hydrocarbons is saturated? C2H6. Which one of the following statement is not true about butane? It decolorizes bromine water. Which of the following polymers can be remoulded? Polythene. Which one of the following formula represents an alkane? C4H10. Which of the following polymers is a synthetic? Nylon. Which one of the following is not produced during fermentation of sugar to alcohols? Methane. Which gas evolves during fermentation of glucose solution? Carbon dioxide. Which of the following will be dehydrated by concentrated sulfuric acid? 1. Lime. 2. Ethanol. 3. Soda ash. 4. Sugar. It's 2 and 4 only, which are ethanol and sugar. Which of the following is or are natural polymers? 1. Cellulose. 2. Tetryl. 3. Protein. 4. Nylon. One and 3 only, which are cellulose and protein. Which of the following statement is or are true about polythene? 1. It is biodegradable. 2. It is man-made polymer. 3. It is a natural polymer. 4. It can be remoulded. It's 4 and 2 only, which are: it is a man-made polymer and it can be remoulded. Thank you very much for attending to Chemistry Topical MCQs. Today we have been looking at Chemistry Part 2. So please, let us meet in other Chemistry Topical MCQs. Bye-bye.